Hello everyone, you are learning English with Om sir. I hope you all are fit and fine. Without any intro or without wasting your time at all, here I start the grammar section, and in this I am going to teach you today transformation of sentence 1. The first very chapter which I start with is degree of comparison, means we will transform the sentences according to the degree of comparison. Okay, you all know that adjectives have 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. So let us take some examples: tall, taller, and tallest. Okay, just like that, another words are there: beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. Now many of the students already know, but some of the students might be wondering ki why in tall only er and est is added for comparative and superlative degree, while more and most is added in beautiful for making comparative and superlative degree. यानी टॉल में सिर्फ er और est लगाते हैं हम कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव बनाने के लिए, लेकिन ब्यूटीफुल में मोर और मोस्ट लग गया. इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ the syllables. Like in tall there is one syllable, it's a one syllable word. Okay, and in beautiful there are more than one syllable. So the words which have more than one syllable, they take more and most for comparative and superlative degrees. I will give you some extra classes on that, how you can identify the words with one or more than one syllables. Just type in comment if you want extra classes for that. Now here I am going to teach you how to transform sentences from positive to comparative and from comparative to positive. So as I told you, transformation positive to comparative to positive. Okay, this we will learn right now. Let us take some examples at first, then I will teach you the steps. The first example is here. Ramesh is as strong as Suresh. Ramesh and Suresh are very famous names, so I have used these names to compare. Now pay attention, this one is positive degree, this one is in positive degree. You can already see, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे strong लिखा हुआ है. तो वी हैव टू ट्रांसफॉर्म दिस सेंटेंस इनटू कंपैरेटिव, मतलब सेंटेंस ऐसा हम लोग को बनाना है जिसमें स्ट्रॉन्ग का कंपैरेटिव डिग्री स्ट्रॉन्गर भी हो और सेंटेंस सिमिलर भी हो, मीनिंग भी ना बदले. राइट, तो कैसे चेंज करते हैं, हाउ डू वी चेंज? पे अटेंशन हियर. सुरेश इज नॉट स्ट्रॉन्गर देन Ramesh. Okay, so in next slide we will learn what are the changes we have made here. Okay, what are the steps we have to follow? The first very thing is Suresh, the last part became the first part, and Ramesh, the first part became the last part. So if we pay attention to what the steps, okay, the first part becomes the last part, and vice versa. I am writing vice versa. That means again the opposite one, means the last part becomes the first part. Okay. Second step is, if the word of negation like no or not is used in the sentence, then we remove it. If it is not used, then we add it. Very simple. In the sentence, if these words are used, then we remove it. Okay. If not used, then we add it. This we have to follow. Okay. Now the third step is very interesting, dear students. The third step here is we remove as dot dot edge. This is the step of transforming the sentence from positive to comparative, right? So we remove as dot edge, means here it is Ramesh is as strong as Suresh. So we removed this edge, okay, here in this sentence. Fourth step is we replace positive degree with comparative, and we add than after it. Now pay attention, it's very important. See here, strong, instead of strong we wrote stronger. Okay. Edge, both the edge removed. After that we have added than. Okay. And here also, since not was not used in the sentence, we have added not after is. So we have followed all these steps to transform positive into comparative. So let us take one more example here. Example 2. Sita is not as beautiful as you. Okay. Now this one is positive. The comparative is you are. Now here we can see it that not is used. हम देख सकते हैं कि not use किया हुआ है, तो यहाँ पे not हम लोग हटाएंगे. अब you जो last part था that became the first, उसको मैंने first में ले आया. Now you are, again we will remove as, both the as. So you are, and then we will replace beautiful with more beautiful, that is the comparative one. You are more beautiful. We will add than, because we always add than in comparative degree. You are more beautiful than Sita. Okay. Keep smiling. Thank you. Meet you in another video. Stay safe, stay home. All the best. Happy learning to you all.